Number three, and then how are you tracking it? How are you keeping that data, right? Are you on a scratch piece of paper and you're going back and you're giving it to your secretary? Do you have a Google form? Is it an easy way to do it? Is the data transparent? Is it a shared Google Doc that the teachers can see it every day? If you're trying to hit the target, you want people to know exactly what's happening, right? Think about it if you're trying to lose weight and you only could go on the scale at the end of the month. Like, what? Oh, you're constantly looking. And I know there's some data that says maybe you shouldn't be on the scale every day. I'm a numbers guy. I want to know what the numbers are. I like the shared Google Doc that has transparent data. What is the data and how are you tracking it? And then are you sending it out via email once a week? Are you sharing it at the faculty meetings? Yes, they can look at it anytime they want, but how are you sharing out that data and getting it to your stakeholders? And then the next question is, how are you providing time? Are you giving the teachers time to look at it, to see it, to think about it? Hey, this team on this, if this fifth grade team has X amount of positive statements, but this other fifth grade team only has this, why? Why is the X